Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day. And look, let me show you something. We're getting it ready to go out the door. Be checking us out. We got a big old sale going on. And that stuff is available. Got plenty of it in here ready to go. Now, if you are a DIY guy, you can pick it up at gciturfacademy.com. Now, retail guys, if you're interested in carrying Carbonex in your retail store, I got a form for that too in the description. We'll have a big old sale, adjuvant. The Carbonex is coming out. I got some sales on the sprayers, some other things. You just have to go in there and look. And I've been working real hard to try to make all that happen for you. So appreciate you watching. Check you later.